Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Anusha. I'm finished my MS OBG and now I've joined the fellowship program in GGIRHR. I'm finding the course very interesting and I'm very involved in the cases. The consultants here make sure that we get good experience and good exposure to the OPDs, and they're pretty good stimulators for ultrasound and the hysteroscopy and embryo transfer stimulators. So I really think the course has helped me a lot in building my career and getting it to a next level. Come for the cases and everything. So the exposure is really good. So you have to be very involved. I think the course deserves 5 on 5 because everybody here puts in the effort. Be it the backend team, the HR, the doctors themselves, the dean, and the directors. Everybody is very involved. They really do care about your education, how you are going to come out as a product from their institute, and who can help the people in the society.